how to do squat jumps for a sexy butt. So same thing as a regular squat, except now we're adding a jump. It's gonna be a little bit more of a cardio aspect to it, a plyometric aspect to it, which is a little bit more fat burning, a little bit more heart rate pumping, but it's also still gonna be toning that butt. So same thing as a regular squat. You're gonna squat all the way down, push those hips all the way back. You're still gonna press through your heels, and you're gonna spring all the way up as high as you can when you explode up. So the arms can help here in this exercise. When you squat, you bring those arms forward. Again, you're in your squat with your knees aligned with your ankle, your hips all the way back. And then you're gonna push all the way up through those feet. Throw your arms back for some momentum, push all the way up. So just down, up, just like that. You're gonna feel this, I already feel it. You're gonna feel it within about 3 reps. So this is really good to get that heart rate going. It's a good addition in, if you're just doing regular squats, you wanna take it up a notch, get a little fat burn, get a little cardio burst. So that's how you do squat jumps for a sexy butt.